It's Churro Mickey Waffle Day. Wow, I'm so hyped to try it. Is it good? Churro waffle. Good morning. It is our final day on the Disney Dream. It's our day at sea. We just had a delicious breakfast at Cabanas, but we got Royal Gathering this morning. So I'm just running down to try and meet up with the girls so we can go meet a bunch of princesses. So I think we're in the atrium. Yeah, it looks like we are. All right, I gotta go find them. Did you meet Belle? Yes? What? Who's that on my shirt? It's Goofy! Pool time with some ice cream. Annie wasn't really wanting to play in the water, so we're just playing at the chairs. Got some pizza over here. And Mom's going on the slide. We're just gonna watch for her. Okay, where is it? Where'd it go? Whoa! Magic! Oh, we just barely missed them flying by. I think me and Daniel are gonna go ride it. Okay, I just grabbed lunch since the girls ate while I was riding the aqueduct, which was super fun. But after I finished lunch, I got ready real quick, and now I'm gonna go meet up with the girls because they're just down doing a little bit more shopping, and I think I heard something about a character dance party, but I think Annie fell asleep in her stroller, so I think we're just gonna stroll around.
Amazing job, my friends. All right, now we have 6 remaining. 1, reveal your answers. Question mark, question mark. Did you play? It is his watch from Christine, yes. Matt gets in there with a... What is Black Panther's real name? That was just... Okay, at the end of the first Avengers film, how did the Avengers celebrate after the battle against Loki? Oh, Dan? Shawarma. He did it with hand behind his back. It is shawarma!
Yeah!
Yes. Time the moment you've all been waiting for. The Avengers round, everyone.
Oh,
let's
snap.
go. Now,
Do I get new characters?
you're going to get a different set of characters.
Oh.
Yes, so there's no advantage from watching it a first time. Are you ready? Avengers!
Assemble!
Do this. Your time is going to start. 35 seconds. Here we go.
Spider-Man. Vision, Wanda. Yeah, like Agatha, Mr. Breeze.
Yeah!
Oh my god.
That is intense, my friends. What do we think? Do you think? But the winner with 14 is Daniel! Disney Tunes Trivia Live, which is going to be one of my favorites.
And it's nothing like I've ever known before.
Yeah!
I mean, it's crazy.
More than hope, more than faith. This is true, this is faith. Oh, wow, amazing. Thank you so much, Michaela.
Tree! If you're ready for bingo, put your head in the air and say, I'm ready! In the end column now, it's end number 43, end number 43. Go up there as well. In the I column, it's I-26, 2 and
Alright, we just got back to our stateroom because we need to pack our luggage and get everything ready to go tomorrow because we need to leave our bags outside our stateroom door by, like he said, between 8 and 10 p.m. tonight so they can get it ready to go tomorrow morning. To help with that, Alvin, our stateroom host, he left us our luggage tags which have a little character on it. We got Ariel this time. What?
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Annie. Are you hanging out with mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah. That sounds fun. Are you going to play on the balcony? Silly Annie, she says.
Silly Annie.
Anyway, these luggage tags help us know which not boarding group, but disembarkation group that we have in the morning. So when they show this character tomorrow, we know we'll get off, and that's how we'll find our luggage after we get off the ship. Alvin also left us these little tip pouches. This is so we can leave him and our servers an extra tip beyond the already prepaid gratuities that we did. So that's always a nice gesture for them for all the extra help that they give. They kind of go above and beyond, in my opinion. And then Mick, I want to show these. Mick had a good idea to get them a little thank you card. Then we're just going to write a kind little note for them. Tell them thank you for everything they did for us since this trip, and then we got them a little sticker from our hometown to share with them, a little piece of us. You probably saw this little lightsaber that was sitting on the desk, but we got this in one of the drinks we got up on the pool deck because it's May the 4th. Annie's been loving playing with it. Anyway, we are very sad to be ending our trip tomorrow, but it's been an amazing time, so we're gonna take this time to kind of relax and pack everything up and then probably just hang out and play until we gotta go down to dinner.
Shed a tear or two, maybe.
Yeah, shed a tear.
Okay, I'm excited to go home and see our dog.
Yeah, that's who we were just talking about.
I just feel like when you leave your pet at home, it makes you sad to leave the place, but excited to go home and see your pup.
Yep. So here's a look at the menu here. Okay, I just realized I had a double appetizer menu on accident, but here's the actual menu. Oh, they got recommend! I think it's a 2 entree kind of night. My first time trying escargot. We'll see how it goes. Daniel's too.
Where's the snail though?
Where's the snail
Oh,
though?
is that the snail?
That's it. I also got the fried brie, the deep fried brie. I think that one's gonna be real good.
Pizza in the bowl.
A little French onion soup is always yummy. Dinner was very hectic tonight. but just got back. Annie got in her little bell dress because we were going to see Beauty and the Beast tonight. Yeah! And we got a crab blanket animal.
So cute.
Cute. But look what Alvin did, Annie.
Oh, look at what Alvin made.
Look what Alvin made you. Is that a monkey or something? Little monkey towel animal?
Look. You see the monkey?
Right here, look. It's cute.
It's a monkey.
My voice just cracked.
It's a monkey.
What's a monkey say? Ooh, 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 ooh.
Silly monkey.
Silly monkey. Well, we want to go get a picture because look how cute these girls look.
A donut.
Pretty.
Mickey.
And then we're going to go to the show. We're very excited for tonight. Shout out to our friends. Look how great of seats they got for us. Thanks, Daniel and Marissa. You're going to see Belle? Yeah, up here. Here we go. Are you ready?
Where's Beast?
He's gonna come.
Coming! You just gotta wait a minute.
And he's picking up every little piece of confetti that she can find outside of the theater. Good job, Annie.
Something. Do you have a good cruise? And here comes our favorite puppy on board. It's Pluto! He's always causing troubles, but we love him. It's Goofy! And she is the diva. She looks fabulous and she's here tonight. It's Daisy. And our number one here, he's even the admiral here in the lobby atrium. Double Trouble are coming, I can hear them. Chipate! And they are your captains, and they are my captains. Our Captain Minnie and Mickey Mouse.
Love you. Bye, Annie.
And the little pat. Bye, Annie. First half of our trip home is done. We're in Detroit and heading to Phoenix in like 30 minutes, so we gotta grab some lunch. We made it to Phoenix. We are very happy to be back in AZ.
Wow.
We are home, almost, yeah. Well, we finally made it home. We already actually started getting unpacked. and got cleaned up and everything. The girls are actually upstairs just winding down, getting ready for bed because we are all exhausted. It was a long travel day, 2 long flights, but everything went smoothly this time, which was nice as opposed to our last travel day experience, which was a bit of a disaster, even though it worked out. So we were all happy about that. First off, what an amazing cruise. We had such a fun time hanging out with our friends, experiencing the Disney dream for the first time. Mick was just making the point that it's just so fun. Every trip, every Disney trip, you get to see your kid at a different stage. For those parents out there, our daughter is just has new interests every single time we go on a trip. She's doing new things, noticing new things, and it's just such a blast to see everything through her eyes. But first, we gotta at least leave a comment about the Beauty and the Beast show that we saw last night. That was just like, we're calling it the highlight of our trip on the Disney Dream. Lots of highlights, but that was an amazing show. So that would be one reason to go back on the Dream for sure. Anyway, if you made it through all these Disney Dream vlogs, thanks for watching along and being along for the ride. We'd appreciate it if you liked the video. We have a lot more Disney trips coming up, some more family travels that we're going to be documenting. So if you want to consider subscribing, we'd appreciate the support, but also we'd enjoy having you along for the ride. But again, wonderful trip. Shout out to my girls upstairs that made it such a fun time, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.